Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best air fryer oil sprayer is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own, allowing you to achieve perfectly crispy results with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, making your favorite fried foods healthier and tastier while ensuring even cooking and preventing sticking, ultimately saving you time and effort in the kitchen and elevating your air frying game to a whole new level. Number 5. PUZMUG Oil Sprayer. This innovative sprayer is designed for easy and precise oil dispensing in your kitchen. It's perfect for all your cooking needs, from salads to roasting. It features a sleek combination of stainless steel and transparent glass for durability and style. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to use. Use it with various oils and liquids, including olive oil, avocado oil, vinegar, and more. It's ideal for baking, cooking, and even air frying. The transparent glass body with scale markings allows for precise oil measurement, helping you control your oil intake for healthier cooking. The extended nozzle provides a fine mist. It's easy to use and clean, simply press the button to release a fine mist. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking along to picnics or barbecues. Remember to not overfill it, leaving space for air pressure to create the perfect mist. It's easy to clean and maintain for long-lasting use. What we like? This oil sprayer is made of durable glass and has an easy-to-use design. The scale markings allow for precise oil control, helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you value durability and precise oil dispensing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The PUZMUG sprayer sprays out a mist as it should. I bought mine a while back and leave it filled with olive oil on my counter next to the stove. I use it all the time. I spray my cookware when I'm cooking instead of using butter. I spray food directly before roasting or air frying if a light spray is called for. The heavy glass is nice, no cheap plastic bottle. I saw this PUZMUG oil sprayer recommended on a YouTube channel, and got it. If you squeeze slowly, it comes out in a tidy stream. If you squeeze quickly, the oil emerges as a spray. The sprayer gives you more control over how much oil you're dispensing. I've had it a few months now and no sign of breakage. The cap top is plastic so the opening to pour in new oil is nice and wide, also making the bottle easy to clean if and when. Very satisfied. Number 4. FLAIROSOL OLIVIA Oil Sprayer. It's the original advanced oil sprayer, perfect for cooking, salads, and barbecues. It provides precise portion control, trusted by chefs worldwide. It delivers a consistent, ultra-fine spray. One full pump gives you approximately 1 gram of oil, helping you manage your daily calorie intake. Use it with olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, almost any liquid. It simplifies frying, grilling, baking, and more. The built-in filter prevents clogging, and the leak-proof design with anti-drip trigger and buckle keeps it secure. It's perfect for outdoor use. The ergonomic handle makes spraying easy, and the wide opening makes refilling a breeze. Made from high-quality glass, it's a durable and stylish addition to any modern kitchen. For optimal performance, press the handle a few times when you first use it to release any trapped air. What we like? This sprayer boasts a consistent, ultra-fine spray and portion control for precise oil misting. It's trusted by chefs for its advanced technology. If you're looking for professional-level precision and consistent results, this is the one for you. What people say? Nice looking, easy to fill with olive oil, easy to use with nice spray. This thing does exactly what it is supposed to and does it well. Doesn't leak, high quality, even spray after a year or so. It sprays evenly and doesn't leak. I like that my pan doesn't become overpowered with oil. Number 3. ZEREOOY Oil Sprayer. This innovative oil sprayer is designed to elevate your cooking experience. It provides precise oil control for healthier and more flavorful meals. Its new design makes it incredibly easy to use. You'll enjoy a more comfortable and efficient cooking process. It's crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel and food-grade glass for durability and safety. You can trust it in your kitchen. It delivers a consistent, fine mist for even oil distribution. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and messy spills. Use it for various cooking methods, from frying and grilling to baking and making salads. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. It helps you control your oil intake, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Enjoy delicious food without the guilt. What we like. This new design oil sprayer provides a better spray and is made of premium materials for healthy cooking. It's a practical kitchen gadget for those who appreciate innovation and health-conscious cooking. If you are looking for a new cooking experience and a healthier lifestyle, this is for you. What people say. Nice glass spritzer with a fine spray. Great for spraying on vegetables I'm roasting. Less waste than pouring olive oil on top of them. Easy to refill with the small funnel that was included. Easy to use, easy to clean. Save money, you will never have to buy that pricey cooking spray again. It appears to be of good quality and will last longer. Number 2. Oil sprayer for cooking. It's here. This improved sprayer boasts a new, reliable nozzle for even better oil distribution. Enjoy healthier, more efficient cooking. With its double-layered transparent bottle, you can always monitor how much oil you have left. It's both practical and hygienic. It's crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel and food-grade glass, ensuring safety and odorlessness. It's perfect for all your cooking needs. The innovative spray button is compact and easy to use, making it a convenient kitchen essential. It's small enough to take anywhere. From frying steaks to making salads and air frying, it atomizes oil for even cooking, saving you oil and time. It's perfect for all your cooking needs. For optimal performance, first spray some water to prime it. Then, add your oil and enjoy a fine mist every time. What we like. This upgraded sprayer features an improved nozzle for better spray dispersion and hygienic oil use. It's also incredibly easy to use. If you prioritize ease of use and a hygienic cooking experience, this is the ideal option. What people say. It sprays the right amount of oil every time, and doesn't leak at all, which is a common issue with many other sprayers. It works so well with no leaking. It sprays every time. It sprays evenly, with the funnel that is included is easy to fill and is just the right size to leave on the counter or store away in the cabinet. Number 1. Olive Oil Sprayer. It features an upgraded nozzle for uniform atomization, spraying about 1 g of oil at a time. You can also rotate the nozzle to adjust the spray angle and pressure. Made of food-grade PET and PP material, it's safe, easy to press, and energy-saving. The transparent design lets you easily see the oil level. A cleaning brush is included for easy cleaning. Just add hot water, under 50 degrees Celsius, and clean with the brush. It's not dishwasher safe. The large opening makes filling easy, while the secure locking seal prevents leaks. No more messy spills. It's perfect for various cooking applications, from frying and baking to grilling and salads. You can also use it for cleaning or watering plants. What we like. This sprayer has a rotatable nozzle for adjustable spraying and is made from safe, durable materials. It's also easy to clean. If you need versatility, safety, and easy maintenance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. What a pleasure to use an olive oil spray that works so well and has a few spray sizes. I very much like this product as it doesn't suffer from several design flaws I've encountered with previous oil sprayers. It provides a fairly even spray pattern which is somewhat adjustable. The spraying works well, the intake line is nicely sized and shaped to reach a bottom corner of the chamber at an angle, allowing it to intake consistently until almost depleted. The spraying trigger works well and can regulate how much oil is being sprayed based on pressure applied. I also haven't had any leakage issues with this model. I got this so I could spray avocado oil when and where I want it. Use avocado oil now, whereas before the spray cost me twice as much as the olive oil spray I was using. The savings will actually pay this bottle off fairly fast. Therefore, not only does it work well, but it is saving me money and there are no gases being emitted like an aerosol. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.